Hello everyone. Today we are discussing German numbers 26 to 50. On my last video, I explained number 1 to 25. If you did not watch yet, you can check it out. I am giving the link on my description box. Okay, let's start. 26, 26, 27, 27, 28, 28, 29, 29, 30, 30, 31, 31, 32, 32, 33, 33, 34, 34, 35, 35, 36, 36, 37, 37, 38, 38, 39, 39, 40, 40, 41, 41, 42, 42, 43, 43, 44, 44, 45, 45, 46, 46, 47, 47, 48, 48, 49, 49, 50, 50. The numbers always forms exactly same as the previous numbers. If you know the numbers from 1 to 10, you can easily study the others because that is the base. Here is only one assumption that lies on the number 30. In the word Dreisig, set changes to a set.